Hello and welcome. I'm Jen. Today I'm going to be making a wreath for you. The materials that you'll need for this wreath are a rope wreath form, some greenery. I have some eucalyptus and some leaves from another project. I've chosen some peach roses, yellow tulips, and a white rose. 1/3 piece of a foam block, a welcome sign that I bought from Dollar Tree, and some gingham ribbon that came from Costco. I thought it matched up nicely with the little bow on the sign, and some hot glue and some E6000. To get started, I'm just going to glue on my foam. So putting on some hot glue and also some E6000. The hot glue will help it to bond almost immediately, and the E6000 is a more permanent bond. And I'm also using some floral wire to secure that on. And we're ready to start our greenery. So what you want to do is just leave about an inch or two for the stem. Put some hot glue on there and stick it into the foam, and you want to mirror what you did on the one side. Do the same on the other side. So I'm putting in my eucalyptus. I'm putting a few on each side. And then just adding the rest of my greenery. And next I'm going to add my florals. So just again cutting and leaving a little bit of a stem and poking it into the foam. And then I'm just covering up that foam on the back with various greenery. And also on the sides and the top of the foam, just anywhere you see foam. And I like how it's coming along so far. And just preparing to add my sign. I'm putting both the hot glue and the E6000 again on the bottom of the sign, and then also on the back part of the sign, but at the bottom. And I'm just tying that hanger that came on the sign, just a piece of jute string. I'm just tying that in a knot and then trimming it off, and then just putting a dab of hot glue on top. And for my bow today, I'm just doing a simple bow, just with one loop on each side. And just tying it with a pipe cleaner. And just making a little knot for the center of the bow. Normally I would just tie the pipe cleaner right onto my wreath, but I don't want it to show on this wreath. I want it to sort of blend in with the rope. So I'm just using a little piece of jute string. I just tied that in there and just tying it on. Now I grabbed a big enough piece of string that I can also use it as a hanger for my wreath. So just tying that on, tied in a nice tight knot, and then you're going to tie a knot at the top, and you've got your hanger as well. And I'm also going to hot glue my bow on just to make sure it's secure on there. I hope you're enjoying my content. If you are, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.